Hi Sam and Shay, that's my video response of your what's in our fridge video, and I hope you like it. So that's my fridge. As you can see, there's the rest of my kitchen, and I'm cooking now. I'm sorry. And I just get the idea to do this. Well, that's in my fridge. That's a bunch of marmalade glasses, and that's homemade by my mother-in-law. It's very delicious. That is almost the same like your applesauce, but it's thicker and has a lot of fruits in it. It's very delicious. To pancakes maybe. And another glasses of marmalade and pickles over there, and leftover yogurt from my kids. They don't eat it. And here we have cheese. That's normally goat cheese, but we don't like that with goat milk, so we buy it with cow milk. And that's another one. You can put this in salad. That's very delicious. Also with it's kind of goat cheese, but with cow milk. I don't know if you know that in America. So as I could see, you have many different brands than we do, and so lots of sausages over there. And here another one, and there another sausage, and here we have another cheese. So again cheese, and here's cheese with chocolate flavor. I don't like that much, but my kids do. They eat it every day to breakfast or to school. And here we have many whipped creams and butter over there. Inside this we have ketchup, of course, this one, and fry sauce, and glass of pepperoni, and another glass of pickles over there. So that's it. And then we have here carrots, and over there eggs. Over here Tabasco sauce here, very spicy, and that's a sweet mustard, and hot chili sauce, and there is come out. Anyway, it's exotic sauce. And here we have, I don't know, I think you have IKEA in America. You can buy this here. I don't know if you know this. This is a fish cream, kind of, and yeah. And here we have our little boxes of milk. We don't have that such big boxes you have in America. Said. And here our leftover from New Year's Eve. Very delicious. I like that. And that's two, but I don't like that. That is more for my husband. Well, that is it. It's a small fridge, but well, as long as it get cold, and it's okay. So I hope you guys liked it. That was my first tutorial ever, and I was a little nervous, and